morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. I am your EVS teacher. Today I am going to tell you about your portion for pre-midterm exam. Student, portion for pre-midterm exam. The following 4 lessons will come in your EVS exam. Lesson number 1, My Body. Lesson number 2, My Family. Lesson number 3, Food We Eat. Lesson number 4, Clothes We Wear. Student, these 4 lessons will come in your pre-midterm exam. Student, the question will be in the MCQ pattern, that is multiple choice questions. One question will be given and 3 or 4 option will be given, and you have to select the right answer from that. All the question of MCQ pattern will come from the mention lesson from lesson 1 to 4 and the PDF notes which we have given to you. The date for the pre-midterm is from 17 August, and soon the date will be uploaded in the school website. So children, start preparing for your pre-midterm exam. The portion is given, so students start preparing for the pre-midterm exam. So student, today we will do the revision for the pre-midterm exam. First, we will revise the difficult words. I have taken some difficult words from lesson 1 and 2, which we are going to revise today. Student, first word is body. BODY, body. You can also tell with me BODY, body. Next, second word is stand. STAND, stand. STAND, stand. Now third word is HAND, hand. Third word is HAND, hand. Fourth word is EYES, eyes. EYES, eyes. Fifth word is SENSE, sense. Fifth word is SENSE, sense. Sixth word is FAMILY, family. FAMILY, family. Seventh word is MOTHER, mother. MOTHER, mother. Next, eighth word is FATHER, father. FATHER, father. Ninth word is PARENTS, parents. Ninth word is PARENTS, parents. Tenth word is SCHOOL, school. Tenth word is SCHOOL, school. Student, these are the difficult words which I have taken from lesson 1 and 2. You can do practice of this dictation word by writing 5 times in your EVS copy. Student, write this dictation word in your EVS copy 5 times so that you can learn it by heart. These are the difficult words I have taken from lesson 1 and 2. Next, we will do the revision of the filling the blanks. This I have taken from lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is fill in the blanks. We have dash sense organ. Student, how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. So the spelling of 5 is FIVE, 5. We have dash sense organ. You have to write how many sense organs we have? 5. So spelling of 5 is FIVE, 5. Next is we write with our dash. We write with our dash. With what you write, student? You know? Yes, hands. So you will write HANDS, hands. We write with our hands. Next, third one is our tongue help us to dash. How does our tongue help us? To taste. What is the spelling of taste? T-A-S-T-E, taste. What is the spelling of taste? T-A-S-T-E, taste. Next, fourth one is our legs help us to walk. Our legs help us to walk. What do we do with our leg? Walk. So you will write W-A-L-K, walk. What is the spelling of walk? W-A-L-K, walk. My dash cook food for the family. Who cook food for your family? Who cook food? Mother. So in the dash we will write mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. My dash cook food for the family. Who cook food for the family? Mother. Our parents help us in our studies. Who help us in our studies? Parents. So our parents help us in our dash. So you will write in the dash studies. Spelling of study is S-T-U-D-I-E-S, studies. S-T-U-D-I-E-S, studies. Next, seventh one is our grandparent tells us dash. What does our grandparent tell us? Stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Our grandparent tell us dash. S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Food give us dash. What does food give us? Energy. So in the dash you will write energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Next, ninth one is we get our food from dash. From where do we get, student, food? Yes, from plants and animals. So in the dash we will write P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. And in next dash we will write A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Next, 10th one is dash is the first meal of the day. Which is the first meal, student? Yes, breakfast. So we will write B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. Breakfast. Next fill up is 11th number is we wear dash to cover our body. We wear dash. What we wear? Cloth. So in the dash we will write cloth. Spelling of cloth is C-L-O-T-H-E-S, cloth. We wear dash to cover our body, cloth. Next, 12th one is we wear woolen cloth in winter. We wear dash cloth in winter. What we wear in winter? Which type of cloth we wear in winter? It is woolen. So in the dash we will write woolen. W-O-O-N-N-E-N, woolen. Some people wear dash to work. Some people, what does some people wear when they go to work? Uniform. So in the dash we will write U-N-I, uni, F-O-R-M, form. Some people wear dash to work. Uniform. We get dash from cotton plant. What do we get from cotton plant? Cotton. So in the dash we will write C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. We should drink dash glasses of water. How much water, student, we should drink? We should drink 8 glass. So E-I-G-H-T, 8. We should drink dash glass of water. We should drink 8 glass of water. Student, write this filling the blanks 2 times in your copy and learn it. This is your revision. Now you have to prepare for your pre-midterm exam. So start studying, student, for your pre-midterm exam. Now we will revise the 2 things which we do. What we hear? What 2 things we hear? We hear music and horn. What 2 things we hear? Music and horn. What is the spelling of music? M-U-S-I-C. M-U-S-I-C, music, and H-O-R-N, horn. These are the 2 things we hear. Now 2 things which we smell. Flower and food. What is the spelling of flower? F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-O-O-D, food. Next, the two things we see, television and books. What is the spelling of television? Television, television. Next is books, books. Television and books, two things which we feel. It is hot, H-O-T, hot. Next is C-O-L-D, cold. Two things which we feel. Two things which we touch, smooth and rough. By touching we can say that this is a smooth surface and this is rough. So what is the spelling of smooth? S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. Next is R-O-U-G-H, rough. These are the things we can touch. Next, student, I have prepared some MCQ patterns question for you so that it will be helpful for you to study for the exam. We listen to music with our dash. I have given three options: eyes, skin and ears. So student, now tell me, from which organ we listen music? From eyes, from skin or from ears? Yes, we listen music from our ears. So we will put tick mark before the box which is made before ears. Next is, my father brother is my dash. My father's brother is my mother, uncle or parents. What do you call your father's brother? Uncle. So you will put the tick mark before uncle. Now next is, food give us dash. What does food give us? Milk, energy या plant? What does food give us? Food give us energy. So you have to put the tick mark in the box of energy. Next is, we wear dash to cover our body. What does we wear to cover our body? Cloth, skin or cotton? What do we wear, student? Cloth. So we will put the tick mark in the box of cloth. My dash cook food for the family. Who cook food for the family, student? Uncle, mother or children? Mother. So I have put the tick mark before mother. So this type of question will come in your pre-midterm exam. Students, start preparing for your pre-midterm exam. I have told you the portion also. So start preparing. Now thank you for this class.